Hey guys, Sammy here. Thanks for joining me. Today I have something special for you guys, and that is right here. It's the MagnaFlow 19544. It's the Overland Performance Series for the LEXUS GX460. I think it applies to the 470 as well, and the Forerunners and the FJs. But yeah guys, as soon as I heard, I got an email. I'd signed up for an email notification when it would come out, and as soon as I got the email notification, I went online and I got it. I can't wait to install this, guys. It's gonna make my GX sound a little more manly, hopefully give me 2 or 3 horsepower extra, and it's gonna sound great. So let's go ahead and open this up, you guys. All right, tape is off. All right, you guys, let's see what we have here. We got some pipe. Okay, pretty decent finish, nothing fancy really. Okay, all right, that's our little muffler. That's the tip. That's gonna be on the left side, something like so. And then that comes into this, pretty sure about that. And then I know that this connects to the frontmost part, so it should be something like this, you guys. So it's 1, 2, 3 pipes and the muffler, and the exhaust hangers should be the same location and everything as the original. So I'm gonna go ahead and get under the car, still up on my quick jack stands, and I got my crawler. I already hit the bolts with some penetrating oil. I think it was PB Blaster that I have, and hopefully they'll come apart easily. Alright guys, let's dive into this. I almost forgot to do a cold start on the stock exhaust, so I want to do it before and after, obviously. So alright guys, I'll leave you right here so you can listen in, and then we'll see the before and after. That was a cold startup with the stock exhaust, so I'm gonna go ahead and get under the car, try and get the bolts loose and get the old system out, and then we'll go ahead and try and install the new one. So see you in a little bit. Alright guys, we're under the car, we're under the GX, and I've already added some penetrating oil here. This is the front one, and I gotta first check and see what size these are. Let's see, 14. Yep, 14 is the right size. So I'm gonna grab a 14, also a 14 wrench, and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so looks like I don't have to hold this down. It's like a welded on nut on this side. So I'm just gonna try with my little impact driver. See if I can get this out. Oh, that's not gonna work. Let's try this. Actually, I don't need it that long. You got it. All right. Needed the extension for this side. All right, guys. Wish me luck. It's a little tough, but gotta try. All right, you guys, I got this one. Let's move on to this. This should be tricky. This is the part where it joins to get the back part out. I'm hoping this is also 14. Let's see. Yep, it's a 14. Alright, you guys. Let's try this one out as well. Alright, you guys, this is the other ones that I have to undo. It's also 14 millimeter. Let's give it a try. This one's kind of rusted out a little worse. The other one wasn't rusted out, but this is bad. Trying to see. Oh wait, you know what? These are not the bolts I have to do. I have to do the ones on top, because I mean nuts. These nuts are welded on to the bottom part. Okay, I've been trying to get the bolts out on this back part over here. These bolts right here, but these bolts, you can only take them out from the top. On the bottom is just a nut that's welded on, and I've been trying unsuccessfully, so I just kind of chopped this thing off right here, and it should be good enough so I can snake it out through the back. And yeah, but this muffler I can take out easily, because that front part right there, I was able to loosen those bolts. So alright guys, I'll be back as soon as I get everything out. Okay guys, so I have everything out. As you can see, muffler is gone. The resonator's gone. So all the factory stuff is gone up to there. And now I'm about to go ahead and start installing the MagnaFlow. So here we go, guys. Alright, this goes back in here. This goes back in the little hanger. Alright, that should do it. Yeah guys, definitely get some lubricant on this so you can slide these in easier onto the hangers. Okay. That's so weird. Alright, well, let's move on. Alright, you guys, I have this in. I have this in to the exhaust hanger. I have the muffler in. That's the muffler. I got that exhaust hanger in. I got that hanger in. I have my little clamps in. I have this clamp in. This is 13 millimeter. I still got to put this in. And then from there, you got to keep going back. I think there's 2 more pieces. And then we'll go from there. Alright guys, everything is installed. Everything is tightened. All of the hangers are put in. All the clamps. Nice stainless steel finish. Hanger here, clamp here. And then you've got one more clamp over here at the back, and you've got one more hanger right there. And as you can see, the exhaust tip does not like protrude below the car. It's like right underneath it, you can't see it. And we're gonna do a cold start, guys, so sit tight. Okay, so I'm gonna take it for a little drive so you guys can hear how it sounds from inside the cabin. Unfortunately, I don't have the little suction cup mount, so I can mount it on the outside of the car. But I'm gonna do that in another video with some drive-bys as well. So let's go for a ride real quick, guys. I have the windows up, so here's the acceleration. So I think you can really hear it like in the cabin, mostly between, you know, 1500 to 2500 RPM, but the rest of the time it'll be nice and quiet, you know, when you're cruising, you know, nice and easy. I'm gonna do one more with the windows up. It's really not that bad. It's not bad at all, actually. It's a nice, pleasant sound. You know, Nothing intrusive or anything. Nothing annoying. I'm gonna put the windows down now. I don't have one of those fuzzy cameras that kills the wind sound, but let's see. Alright, here's just the general sound, you know, when you're backing up or whatever. Like when I back up my driveway. Well, definitely doesn't sound like your average soccer mom's GX anymore. You know, big improvement. That was a cold startup with the new MagnaFlow Performance Series Overland exhaust system for the LEXUS GX, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Install was pretty easy. Just make sure you have one of those cutting tools. I forget what it's called. One of these, and make sure you have 2 blades at least for, you know, for metal, because if you get like some bolts that are rusted and stuck, you might not be able to get them removed, so just cut it off. And that's what I did. So guys, any questions, let me know. So yeah, you just need basic tools, some penetrating oil or grease or something, and a little bit of patience. And yeah guys, I think it sounds great. It's not too loud, it's not obnoxious. Can definitely hear the V8 sound now on the GX. And if you have any questions, comments, let me know down below. And I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Thanks.